Hey Russ, so this one's for you. Basically, this is just gonna be a simple homepage 2 minute tear down. So, looking at your website right now, I think it looks great. The color selection is awesome. Um, but the only thing I would change really is you know, I would I would probably do one of these things. So, if you're gonna use an overlay like this, I would choose, or actually, I would opt in to make this a full overlay, right? I know you're using Divi for your website. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe you are. And I know you could do this in Divi. And if you don't feel like doing that, you can always just filter out this image with like a darker background. That way, your text would kind of like show up more, and things like that. Now, I don't know if this is like intentional that you don't have your own logo here. Um, I definitely would put it on there, or even just like a text logo would be fine. I like how simple this is. I think my only thing is that really, like what I've been saying to you know, every page tear down that I've been doing is basically, you know, if you're gonna do let's just say on this one more testimonials, this one has the shadow background, however this one doesn't. So pick kind of like pick your design consistency and stick with it. Just be pretty much consistent with whatever design elements that you choose, and things like that. And then I don't know if you're trying to actually give away this link juice to WordPress and elegant themes, but you could always just change this to like, something like copyright 2018, all rights reserved, Russ Crowley, or something similar. Um, but pretty much, I think this one is looking great right now. I like how clean it is and how simple it is. So I definitely would stick to that one.